Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be my August clothing haul. I was trying to think, we're already in August. So this is my August clothing haul from Factory Connection. I actually have two bags because I have my clothing allowance and I have a couple things that I purchased, which I left one thing in the living room, but I'll tell you what it is. It's a face mask. We do carry different really cute face masks. It's tie-dye, but I left it in the living room. So let me start with the clothing allowance items. Let me pull out my drawer so I can use it as a table. Nope, wrong bag, Shannon. Wrong bag, Shannon. First thing I gotta tell you a story. You guys know I started Weight Watchers. There's videos on starting my weight loss journey. I need to get into doing more cooking videos for you guys because I really enjoyed that. But I had put up a pair of capris in the back on hold as a goal. They were a size 16 misses, not plus, misses. So kind of like a 14 plus. So I put those in the back as a goal to get into. And I hung them in the back. And I thought the other day, well, I've lost 12 pounds. I'm going to go try those on. And they fit. They fit. I had a cow because I figured it would be like another month before I could get into them, but they fit. So I put those in my clothing allowance. And I have already worn them to work. They are Royalty is the brand, I think. Yes, Royalty for me. They are a 16 misses. 16. And they're super cute. And I'll show you why I love them. They're just regular jeans, have that slightly faded look. But look at the bottoms. Look how cute that is. I loved these little bottoms. So they are a cropped pants. I can wear these to work because they are not ripped or distressed. And they fit. I was tickled to death. So I got these jeans, and I do believe these were $19.99 because I've already taken the tags off and worn them. I think the tag might be in the bag down in the bottom, floating around somewhere. And there's where I took like that off of it. Another thing I've already worn because I wore this with the little pants is this kind of ivory and black. It's just a t-shirt. It's just a t-shirt. It's black and ivory striped. It has a really cute gathered detail on the side, which gives you a little bit of drapiness if you or at an apple shape like me. It gives you a little bit of drapiness in that area just to kind of help camouflage. So I do like that. And it's just a basic tee. I think this was, I don't remember. Oh wait, here we go. The pants were $19.99. There's another tag I took off. And the pants had retailed for $38. So I have a tag for this top down in here. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe not. It might be this one right here. Scoop neck, $13.99. I think this is it right here. So the top was $13.99. And then I have this shirt, which is a workout top. And it's just pink. Oh, I had another workout top. And I wore it to work out in, and I bet I washed it. It was this one. Tech Gear for $9.99. It was a gray, and I bet it's in the wash machine. I forgot all about it. But it was another workout shirt. And it actually came from Kohl's because I looked it up. It's gray, kind of like a tie-dye t-shirt, and you could... It had an angled hem, so you could leave it angled, or you could take that hem and tie it in a little knot, which is what I did. So I had that shirt too, which I think is in the washing machine. I also got this one. This one is a 3X just because I still like my shirts roomy, even though I'm losing. And some of the things I'm getting 3X, some of the things I'm getting 2X. Like this one was an XXL. So it just depends on how it hangs on me. This is Reebok. So their stuff runs a little snug. And this was in juniors. It wasn't in plus. It was in juniors. So I took a 3X. But super cute. It's got like this open kind of dry tech material on the back. You can see my hand through it. Just a cute tank top. It was $11.99. So got that tank top to work out in. And I have 2 more things for you guys in this bag. These are leggings. I will probably work out in these, or I don't know, because they're kind of thin and I like wearing something a little thicker to the gym. So when you bend over, you're not seeing your whole hiney shine. But see what I'm saying? They're thin. If I did wear these to the gym, I would wear a long shirt over top. But they are an extra large. I did try these on. They fit perfect. Extra large. They do have a cell phone pocket on the side right here, and they are just a pink and off-white tie-dye, and it's a full legging. So I got those. That was my clothing allowance. I got one more thing because I had like a couple dollars left. So I got these really cute earrings. Super cute, light and dainty. They are so light. They look like they might be heavy, but they're not because this is thin. These were $3.99. So I got those. And that's everything I got in the clothing allowance. And then this weekend we started a back to school jean sale. And it included clearance. This little sprig right here, I don't think it knows which way it wants to go. There we go. We'll tuck it that way. And it included clearance. The jean sale included clearance. It hardly ever includes red lines. It usually excludes red lines, and it usually excludes denim anyway when we do a sale. So I jumped on the clearance jeans. And once again, I am happy to report. Let's see, these are a full jean. These are a full jean with a open kind of hem looking at the bottom, but it is finished. It's not a raw hem. It does have a seam running through it. These are State of Independence. I love how these jeans fit. There is the back pocket. They always have a really cute back pocket. These are a plus size 14. I haven't tried these on yet. I just grabbed them. These were clearance for $17.60 down from $21.99. I'm pretty sure they will because they stretch. So I've got to try these on. And then I already tried these on. These are Torrid. We do get big name brands sometimes in the store. Torrid. And these are a 14 regular. I know they fit. They were $7.50, so I got them for $3.75 because they were buy one get one half. They have 3 buttons up at the top. That look is coming back. We've been getting that in a lot. And it's just a gray with kind of like this double line down. I don't know, but for $3.75, I can wear these to work. No detail on the pocket on these, just a nice faded gray. But for $3.75, I will wear them. And look what this is. 14 regulars. Alright guys, that is my clothing haul. I'm going to try that one pair of jeans on, and I will let you know if they fit or not. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I tried on the jeans. And they fit. And are perfect length too. They are perfect length. They fit. They are a tiny bit snug around the waist. But that's fine because I'm going to keep losing. So yes, the 14 State of Independence fit. Oh my gosh. All right. So yeah. So if you want to keep up with me on my Weight Watchers journey, you You can follow me on Instagram. You can follow me on Moody Girl Beauty on Facebook. I post a lot of updates about my weight loss there and what I'm eating and if I'm cheating. Like I had a monster ass donut yesterday. We had a new donut shop open in town called A Whole Lot of Donuts. And I did not realize how big the donuts were. So I ordered 4. 2 for me and 2 for the hubby, which I only planned on eating 1 like yesterday and saving 1 for later, like maybe today or tomorrow. Guys, these donuts were bigger than my hand. They were freaking huge. There's photos up on my IG. So I ate half of one. I ate half one. And then I ate the other half later. And I wiped out my points for the day plus some points because I was like, there's no way to track this donut. So I put in like a regular donut, but I put in like 1.5 donuts because that donut was massive. All right, guys, as always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you on the next one.